Okay, so we're gonna do it like this because I don't have a pump and I need to get this out. So we are doing it old school. And there's not that much in here. It's dry on that side. Come down here, Aiden. Come over here, Aiden. You're not gonna scoop up there in the dry. So we're gonna scoop out as much as we can and then clean and then scoop out again because that's all we can do. Okay, we'll keep you posted. Okay, so look how sparkly! This is one of the benefits of having a pool that is unlevel. Okay, so we're able to clean everything from this side. We're spraying it with bleach and scrubbing it and then spraying it with the hose a little bit and then spraying it out. But as you saw earlier, we are using buckets to get this water out. Yeah. So, yeah. Yay for this. Thank you, Aiden.
Welcome.
It stinks. So.
Government child abuse.
If you want to swim, you gotta take the punishment. So we're sweating to death out here, but we're gonna get it done. So keep you updated. Okay, so it's clean. Woohoo! So now becomes the debate because I don't care to move it and level it because it's fine. I just want to fill it back up. And I did all the work, so it should be my decision, right?
Yeah.
But if you remember from the beginning, my husband was the one who said, this is level, it's fine. And it wasn't level. So I think he's going to fight me that he wants it level, although he doesn't swim in it. So, and he didn't do this work. So anyway, that's where we're at. Feels so much better.
Yeah.
I want to fill it up, but we'll see. Probably tomorrow, if anything. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate it. Stay happy.